Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to make mouse pointer bigger in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for our physical mouse accessory options. So, first we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we're looking for general management options menu. Then we need to scroll to mouse and trackpad menu. And here we have a pointer size and color. And here we have not exactly a slider, but a few settings where we can make our pointer quite large or pretty much PC size small, whatever we want from here. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.